Welcome to another peaceful yet powerful creation from flour and sugar. As I begin with this crumb coat, I am reminded every dream starts rough. It's messy, it's imperfect, just like this first layer, but that's the beauty. Transformation begins here. There were days when I doubted myself. I questioned whether this path was even right. But every cake, every late night, every satisfied smile reminded me this is more than baking, this is passion in motion. It's okay if you are not getting clean edges on your first try. I didn't either. This skill came with consistency. So take your time, practice, be gentle with yourself because growth is not always pretty, it's always worth it. As I crumb coat this cake, I think about the little details in life, the effort no one sees. But when the cake is done, it all shows your dedication, your learning, your growth. Don't underestimate the quiet work you are doing. Results always come. Now add some sparkle, these glitter toppers, just paper, glue and vision. But put them together with love and they become the spotlight. You don't need a fancy studio, expensive equipments or a huge following to create magic. All you need is heart, hands and hustle. Every cake I make, every topper I design is a message to anyone out there dreaming. You can do this too. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start now with what you have. Just begin and keep building. Cake decoration is like giving your cake a personality. It's the final touch that turns a simple sponge into a showstopper. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or just a random I need cake day, decorating is where the magic happens. In this video, I'm diving into the wonderful world of cake decorating. From achieving that perfectly smooth whipped cream finish to adding colorful piping, sprinkles and fun toppers, I'll show you how to take your cake from meh to wow without losing your sanity or your spatula. Don't worry if your cream has a mind of its own or your piping looks like spaghetti at first. We have all been there. With the right tips and little patience and maybe a deep breath or two, you will learn how to create cakes that look bakery worthy right from your home kitchen. So grab your turntable and let's turn some cake dreams into delicious reality. Thank you for being here, for watching, for supporting Flour and Sugar. I hope this video inspired you not just to bake but to believe. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more magic in every video. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming. Thank you.